Cutting things out in Photoshop is now 100 times easier than it used to be. Here's how you do it. So Photoshop has this new this new feature where you can cut things out extremely quick. I'm gonna just grab a photo here. Not too complicated of a background. And it's obvious where the foreground is. Here, let's get rid of this. All right, let's see. Got it copied. I'm gonna just do paste the clipboard, Control V or Command V. Now I'm just gonna click. So we're gonna get the magic tool. And then at the top, we're gonna click right here where it says, we're gonna click right at the top where it says select subject. And what it's gonna do is make a selection of the most prominent thing in the area, which is the subject, the model. And it automatically makes a cut for me and I'm done. That's it. And then once you got the selection, all you have to do, select and then inverse and then hit delete. And that'll get rid of your background and now you're just left with the cutout. And bam, it's really that simple. Put it up against the black background. Look at that. Simple. I doubt that this would be this simple on every single picture, but I think it's pretty impressive that it worked on a photo like this. Obviously, if it didn't work, you would have to go back to the more traditional, conventional methods. And I have tutorials on how to do that if you click right here. Also, make sure if you're enjoying this content, hit like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notifications too.